Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix focus button not working in control center on iPhone in iOS 17 or 16 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after a few seconds, tap on the power button. So wait for it now. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and then after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update here. So guys, I have the latest version updated on my iPhone. So update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. And then after this, the next and the last solution is reset all settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.